In this video, we will show you how to withdraw money from SafePal to a bank account. If you guys want to get started with SafePal, you can use the links down in the description. First, open your SafePal app, navigate to SafePal Earn, and click Deposited to open your deposited asset list. Now, select the LP token from the list that you want to withdraw, then click Withdrawal. Check your deposited and earned LP token details, and click Withdrawal Special Notes. If you withdraw assets within the lockup period, there will be an additional 0.1% unstaking fee. The 3-day countdown will be started from the last deposit you make to the pool. The lockup period unstaking fee applies to the staked LP tokens and SFP in a pool. Then choose the network fee standard and click Confirm. An additional blockchain network fee will be charged by signing the operation. As PancakeSwap is a smart contract built on BSC or Binance Smart Chain, make sure that you have a sufficient BNP or BEP20 as a native network fee for signing approval. After that, enter the security password, click Confirm, and wait for the withdrawal to complete. When the withdrawal is completed, you'll see the message the withdrawal is successful. Then, view the asset on your main page. You can withdraw from SafePal to a bank. So that's how to withdraw money from the SafePal to a bank. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with SafePal. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.